Well, look what I got in the mail today. A package from iFixit. Yeah, the company that sells toolkits, mostly like replaceable screens and batteries and stuff, and you see on every phone repairing channel. So, I decided to order a kit myself. So, today we have the Essential Electronics Toolkit. I paid $25. The total was $30 plus shipping, I think. Yeah. Let's see what it has. It has a magnetized driver handle, a angled precision tweezers, a spudger, a jimmy, a opening tool, 6 opening picks, a suction handle, and a lid with a sorting tray. I think that's the lid from the case. I don't know. So yeah, let's just open it. I heard some great things about this kit. It's like the most you can get out of it. Yeah. Oh wow, look at this. The fist of fix, or what was this? Fix. Yeah, I don't know. Great packaging. Yeah, it's great but simple. It's a sleeve. Oh, there you go. So here's the toolbox itself. Looks nice. Hard plastic. And oh yeah, it does have magnets. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Look at that. Ooh, look at those. Damn. Push down to remove tools. Oh, you push down. Yeah, I get you. So like this. Oh, there you go. So I think this is a spudger, or yeah, I do not know. Yeah, I think it's a spudger. This tool is designed to break before your devices. Oh, this is the one you lift screens. Like, I really don't know because I never repaired the phone in my life. These are the tweezers. Oh wow, they feel really nice. Yeah, those feel great. Look at those. iFixIT. Yeah, these feel nice. Like, you can pick super small things with these. Yeah, they feel nice. Let me just put them back. There we go. This must be the screwdriver. I expected it to be metal because that's what I saw in other reviews, but yeah, I guess it's plastic. I didn't look that close. I think it's magnetized. Like if you put a screw here, let's see. Just give me a second. There we go. Now it should pop right in, as you saw. It just popped in, made the clicky sound. It was really satisfying. These are the screw tips. You have everything you need to repair a phone or a laptop or a PS4. Actually, the top ones are the PS4 screws. If you look closely, these ones. These are the picks that you use to pry up and hold the plastic, so it doesn't clip back on. Yeah, these are interesting. They have the logos on. This must be the suction cup. I will not use this because I don't repair phones, but I think I'm gonna buy some phones and repair them. I'm gonna try, like, buy an iPhone 4 to start off with. I'm not gonna buy an iPhone X and just mess it up. This is the oh, this is the spudger. Oh, so this is the spudger. So the other one was the lifting tool. Okay, I get you. iFixIT spudger. Yeah, feels sturdy. Like it doesn't bend in my hands or something. Yeah, some like really hard plastic. I don't even know if it's plastic. This is the jimmy, I think. Yeah, this must be the jimmy. Feels super nice in the hand, like high quality. Got some marks up here. Weird. Anyways, yeah, it's super high quality. Feels super nice. And this is the screw holder. Yeah, this is the place where you hold the screws. Look, these are the magnets that you hold the case. They're like super strong. They're satisfying to put them like big click. So yeah, this was the iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit, the tools you need to get into your electronic devices. Thank you and have a nice day.